The AI automation space is full of gatekeepers. Everyone shows you how to build basic chatbots, but the second you want to export your leads or build a real business system, those platforms force you to upgrade to a $30 a month subscription. Today, we break the gatekeepers. If you've been searching for how to build an AI chatbot for free, I am going to show you how to architect a fully automated, high-ticket sales pipeline for exactly $0. This is the ultimate no-code AI system. Let's look at the data flow blueprint on the screen. The user interacts with our free frontend. From there, N8N catches the raw data and acts as our intelligent router. It reads the user's intent to decide exactly where the data needs to go. If they ask about pricing, N8N fires that data down the red path. If it's just a general question, it routes down the green path to our standard leads. We are building an enterprise-grade backend without writing a single line of code. Let's jump in. Step 1 is building the backend database where all of our captured data will live. We are using Notion. Open your workspace and create a new table view database. We are naming this Taxable AI CRM. A standard spreadsheet will not cut it for an AI agency. Leave the default first column as name. Next, add an email property to catch their contact info, and a text property titled User Question. This ensures your sales team knows exactly what the client wants before they even reach out. Now for the crucial part. Add a select property and name it status. This is where our automation will categorize the leads. Create 2 custom tags. Here, make a green tag for new lead and a red tag for urgent sales. Finally, scroll down to the advanced properties and add a created time column so your leads are time-stamped automatically the second they hit the database. Your CRM architecture is fully prepped to receive data. Now, we need the front end to capture the leads, and we are skipping Chatbase to use Typebot because it gives us full API access on their completely free tier. Start a blank canvas. Drag in a text bubble to welcome the user to the Taxable Assistant. Immediately follow it with a text input block. Open the settings for that block and save this input as a new variable named User Question. Next, ask them for their contact info and drag in an email input block saved as user email. To bridge this free bot directly to our backend, scroll down to Integrations and drag the webhook block to the bottom of your flow. In the header section, set the key to content type and the value to application or JSON. This ensures our data is formatted perfectly for N8N. Real quick, if you're getting value out of this tutorial, hit the subscribe button right now. We post high-level AI automation architecture every single week on Workflow Capital. Switch over to a completely blank canvas in N8N Cloud. Add a webhook node, change the HTTP method to post, and copy the test URL. Go back to your Typebot window, paste that exact URL into your webhook block, and turn on the custom body toggle. We are writing simple JSON code here to cleanly package our variables. Open a bracket, type quote email quote, colon, and drop in your user email variable. Do the exact same for the question variable. Hit the test button in Typebot. Watch N8N catch the payload instantly. Look at the data panel. See how cleanly it separated the email and the question. Now for the brain of the operation. Add an if node and drag your new question data into value 1. Set the operation to contains. Type the word pricing, and make sure ignore case is turned on so it catches capital letters. You can even add an or condition for the word buy. The system is now listening for buying signals. It is time to wire up the final connections and prove that this system works. Connect a Notion node to the true branch of your if node. Select Create a Database page and choose your Taxable CRM. Map the separate email and question data straight from the webhook and hardcode our red tag, urgent, sales, into the status field. Next, duplicate this Notion node, attach it to the false branch, and use the green new lead tag. Click Execute at the bottom of the screen to make it live. Let's run a split screen test. I am typing a question about enterprise pricing on the left side of the screen, and I want you to watch the Notion database on the right. Hit Enter, and instantly, the lead populates with the red urgent tag. You just built an enterprise-grade AI system for $0. Grab the template in the description, subscribe to Workflow Capital, and I'll see you next time.